Today I'm going to show you how to play the cookie flip game. It's a fun flashcard game that you can play with sight words, letters and sounds, or even math equations, whatever you're learning about. First, you're going to grab a cup of any size, a pen or pencil or crayon, and then some paper, and you're going to start tracing some circles. Try to get as many on the page as you can. Next, you're going to write words for flashcards. You can write letters and sounds or math equations, whatever you're working on. Today, we are working on contractions. Then you get out your scissors and start cutting out the circles to make the cookies. I recommend your child do all of it, the cutting, the tracing, and writing all the words on the cookies. Next, go to the kitchen and get a big platter or cookie sheet, and you can get some spatulas or even some tongs to use for flipping. The key to this game is to read each word before you flip it. So, hasn't, can't, and so on. Or you can even have your student say them in a sentence or whatever you'd like to do for fun learning. I hope you have fun playing the cookie flip game.